Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now there are holidays and birthdays and a lot of events coming up, and if you have a child in your life who needs a gift, I have a great one to show you today. Today we're going to talk about Kidstir subscription box. Now this is a subscription box for kids that helps them explore their culinary side. So it has recipes and a lot of other goodies inside this box. It comes once a month. They have subscriptions monthly, 3 months, 6 months, or a year that you can gift to a child. Now it's for kids of all ages. Parents, this is something you're going to do with your child, and it's going to help them learn to cook. It's going to have a lot of time together. I absolutely love it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what comes in a Kidstir box. There's an example of one that we just got. It comes in this little box. Kids love that because they love to get mail. So let's go ahead and open it up and explore what comes inside. Now the first thing you're going to get is the kid's going to have an apron and a chef hat. This is really fun. So let's go ahead and open this up just to kind of show you. So it comes with this adorable chef hat that says Kidstir. And then it also comes with a cute little white kid-size apron that says Kidstir as well. Really love that. So that comes in each box because when they go ahead to make their recipes, they're gonna wanna look the part. Now, as we open up the rest of the box, it always comes with a kitchen tool, a really high quality kitchen tool. So we're gonna talk a little bit about this in just a second. It comes with the Foodie Fun magazine by Kidstir, and this box, the month is Aloha Hawaii. So this is going to have information on Hawaii. It's going to have information to scan this if you want to go to the app and cook along. Really great book, and it talks about what we said, the kitchen tool. This is a frosting spatula, so it tells the child all about what this tool is used for. So I love that. It also has a kitchen Q&A, some kitchen hacks, really little facts on Hawaii, really great little Kidstir magazine. And it also comes with 3 recipe cards. Now, I love these recipe cards because first of all, they're already pre-punched, so you can put these in a binder so they can keep them and go back and make them anytime they want. They're high quality, the photography is excellent, really easy to follow along, and they're very durable, like I said, to keep and go back, so you're kind of making your own cookbook with each box that you get. So we have 3 Hawaii inspired recipes here. We have mahalo garlic shrimp, which looks really good. The next recipe we have is kahakai cupcakes. This BG treat is perfect for sharing. And we have pineapple fried rice. So as you can see, look at the photography on that. Really good. And this is something that adults are gonna help the kids with, so it's definitely a project or craft to do together, but it's mealtime and craft time all at once, which is fantastic. And it is divided into each step of how they're going to make this recipe. And then there's also an ingredient list, which is fantastic, and a shopping list for each recipe. Now this isn't gonna come with the food to make it. You're gonna go to the grocery store. Again, it's a whole project. You take your child to the grocery store, you go through the shopping list of everything you need, and then here's your step-by-step with photos of how to make the recipe. There's little tips, the tools that you will need. On the back, here's how you make the pineapple boat. There's even a note to grown-up helpers. So each one of these are really good to get your kid into the kitchen. Like I said, we got shrimp, we got cupcakes, and we got fried rice. And then we also have a bonus, this one's not so much a recipe, but it's how to make a cupcake flour lay, which is fun. It tells you exactly what flours you need, again, which ones you need, and a step-by-step guide into how to make that flour lay. So that's a bonus for this box, which I love. And again, it's punched, so I can just put this in a binder for the child. Then you have achievement stickers because there's 3 recipes. Then they can put the achievement stickers or when they've made each recipe. Love that. Then you have, there's always like a little game or a puzzle or things like that in here. This is a little matching game that comes, and it's kind of cool because on the back it'll say cupcake, and on the front are the things to make cupcakes, a little different ingredients. So that's a game. You're gonna divide those up into a little card, so it's a little card game. And then you're just gonna have this piece that tells you where to go online if you wanna cook along with the app. So that is everything that comes in the Kidstir box. I really like it because I think it gets kids into the kitchen with their parents. You guys go shopping together to go through the shopping list, and then you bring it all home. Really something to do, like I said, together. Brings you and your child together. Great gift. Each month is different. You could do 1 month, like I said, 3, 6, or a year. And it comes with this. Let me just go ahead and open this kitchen tool for you because I really, really like it. Like I said, it is high quality. And get it open. And see, there you go. That's the tool. So each month they'll get a different tool. Kids really like these different things. It just adds to their little kitchen equipment, I suppose. And then again, you have these recipes that you're gonna go ahead and put in a binder for them. They can go back and make them anytime. So that is what Kidstir is. It's a subscription box for kids that helps them explore their culinary side. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description below if you wanna check it out. And that is it, guys. I just wanted to give you an idea for an upcoming birthday or holiday. I know I get stuck a lot when I have kids, you know, that I'm shopping for. What should I get them that's outside the box? Well, this is in the box, but thinking outside the box. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.